I just designed and deployed this entire SaaS analytic dashboard in under 15 minutes without writing a single line of code. And if I don't like what the AI creates, I get my credit back. Let me show you how. This is YouWare, an AI-powered vibe coding platform that turns your design ideas into working web applications through conversation. As a UI UX designer, I am always sketching interfaces, but now I can actually build and test them instantly. Okay, so after successful sign up, this is the YouWare dashboard we are going to use. Before we start creating our project, let's quickly explore the dashboard. So on the left side, as we can see, we have this expand collapse icon. So we can expand and we can collapse. Here we have explore. Explore is basically the community of YouWare where you can find inspiration. Other creator already created some great products. So you can just remix those products and create product for your own self. And here is the lab where you can find other YouWare tools which YouWare is created. And here is the affiliate, my projects and notification. So the projects which we are going to create will be listed inside my project tab, and create tab is already selected. So in the middle, as we can see, we have this prompt section where we are going to describe our project, and this will be just in simple words. We are going to what we need to type here, and YouWare will handle the rest. Next we have this upload button. So we can upload files, we can upload assets. We are in the chat mode right now. We can switch to code if you are more like a technical person and you want to work with the code, so you can switch to code mode. Here is the integration. So basically right now these are MCP tools, and YouWare backend and API are now part of Ubase. So as you can see, Figma, Supabase, Notion and all these great tools are now part of Ubase, so you can connect these. This is really cool. And next we have a model section, so where we are going to select a specific model. We have all the top model listed here. So as you can see, Gemini 3 Pro, Gemini 3 Flash, Cloud 4.5 Office and Cloud 4.5 Sonnet, Cloud 4.5 Heku, ChatGPT, and all these great products means you can create everything with YouWare. This is really amazing. So normally I leave it as a auto. I don't want to select a specific AI model because I'm not expert in this model. I just leave it to YouWare and YouWare will handle the rest. So auto is great. Okay, so if you are completely new to YouWare or you are completely new to the AI field, so as you can see here, YouWare just provide you the hints, so you can just follow and create some testing and example projects. So then you can fully understand. So as you can see, this is really great experience. If you don't know how to write a prompt, or you are completely new or you don't know anything about the prompt, so you can just select any prompt here, like design a landing page layout for a fintech startup. Really great prompt, and you can just click and start with. So these are just great to start a prompt. Okay, next, if you want, I highly recommend you to download this desktop app, the YouWare app. So you can just download it, install it. So instead of browser, you can use the desktop application. So in this video, we are going to create a modern SaaS analytics dashboard, and I have my project detail, and we will see that how YouWare handle this complex type of project. So I'm going to just copy my project detail. Let's paste it here. Okay, so this is basically project detail. Here, as you can see, create a modern SaaS analytics dashboard with a clean, minimalistic design include. This is really simple words what I need, and I just want to describe it here inside the prompt area, and which include top navigation bar with logo and user profile, sidebar navigation with icon for dashboard, analytics, users and settings. On the hero section, we need 4 KPI cards, one for revenue, one for active user, conversion rate and growth. Next, we need interactive line chart displaying revenue trends or 12 months. So these are the requirements. Even I provided like the color. So I need purple and blue mix gradient here. So this is just a starting point, and later on we will update everything, so you will know how we enhance our UI. And here, as you can see, we need dark mode. So we need both light mode and dark mode. So there we need a switch in the header so that we can change it. Okay, we need glass morphism effects, which is a really modern effect, smooth hover animation, mobile responsive design, and use Tailwind CSS style. Okay, so these are the requirements of my project, and I just provided. And now I'm going to click on the generate here, and as you can see, you will start and reading our details. It will understand what is our request. Here we can see the live status of what's going on. So in the middle, as you can see, it show, and here on the right side, it will give you the status of the real time. So now, as you can see, file analyzed, and still it's working on the prompt. This is really cool. I really like this, so that I can see that like what the AI is working right now. Okay, so as you can see here, this new window is open and it starts working on the project, and basically it's give you all the details that what YouWare has done. Okay, so here I have created a modern SaaS analytics dashboard for you. It's also provide the key feature included. Okay, interactive dashboard. This is what we requested. Data visualization for KPI card and transaction table, dark mode, mobile responsive, and all the detail it's provide. This is our dashboard. Before we are moving to our concept, let's quickly explore this view. Okay, so here as we can see, we can just clear the chat. We can go back to versions. For example, if we are in fifth version and we want to move second version, so we can just go back to the previous version. As we can see, we can collapse and we can expand the sidebar here. We can refresh the view, we can open console, and here we can check the mobile responsive. And here is the visual editing tool. This is what YouWare is exceptional, because it provide you visual editing, mean you can live edit everything you want. So for example, I just select the tool and I just want to change this text. So for example, I select this text. As you can see, we can just do edits. We can change the type size. So for example, we can make it big, we can make it small, we can change the color, we can make it bold, we can make it regular, italic. So also we can make it link. So all these cool features we can do edit live. So this is really great. Okay, this is the power of YouWare. So I'm just going to click again here and discard the changes. I don't want to change these things. Okay, in the middle we have this preview. Right now this is in preview mode. We can change, we can switch to code mode. So if you want to see the code, you can switch to this mode. And here, so this is ubase. Basically you can connect ubase and your application will be fully functional, like data driven features, file storage, and data capture, user accounts. So it's mean our app will be fully functional once we enable ubase. And here is the publish button, so we can publish our project once we are finished. So let's click here again on the preview and let's collapse the sidebar and let's preview our project what AI provide us. So here as we can see, our sidebar, dashboard, analytics, user settings, great. We have light mode, dark mode feature. Let's quickly refresh this. So let's see. Okay, we can fix this. And here is the user profile for KPI card, revenue trends. We only requested one revenue trend. Here is our transaction. Everything's looking great, but now we are going to do some changes here. Okay, we are going to enhance it further and we are going to take it to the next level. So here I created the next detail requirement. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. I requested all the changes we need, color palette and all related to the style, light mode, dark mode. Let's click again and apply those changes. Now the AI say that understood, I am processing your detailed request to redesign the SaaS analytics dashboard with an improved layout with more, and I requested more premium UI because the UI right now is really basic and I want it to be more clean and premium look. So let's see. Again, YouWare start working and this is really great. I really like just chatting with YouWare and the AI start working and creating this complex product for us. So before YouWare, these kind of product took months and even years, and you have to hire a team of developers, designers, and to work on all these. This was just a dream before, and now you just need to describe what you need and YouWare will provide you everything. This is really cool. Okay, so I just requested some UI changes, enhancement. It's working on it. Really cool. Okay, so now as you can see, our dashboard is improved on the second request we asked for. So let's quickly click here to collapse this. It's removed the second chart which we don't need. We just only need one chart, and here is another chart. Here is our users and all these. Let's see, the dark mode is still not working. Don't know why. Let's compare this to the previous one. So click here and I'm going to click on the version one, and here we are. So this was pretty basic and the UI look really basic. So right now if we click on the version 2, so this is pretty enhanced UI and this is looking great. Now I'm going to ask for like some another changes. So let's see. Okay, I noticed some changes here and I'm going to just type it here. As you can see, it analyze everything and now it start working on the request, tweaking the code. Okay, so now as you can see, it updated our request and here is like a new interactive capabilities. Okay, so the dynamic charts updated to advanced data table and enhanced navigation feature, micro animation added. Okay, so let's quickly preview this. KPI cards, slightly color added, really cool animation, data table. and completed process failed, export CSV, edit. So these are cool features added, but still I think we are missing the dark mode. So now we are going to only request for the dark mode. Add dark mode. Okay, so now as you can see, it's updated, and let's quickly check that is it working or not. Just collapse this and click here. So as you can see, our dashboard is looking great. Okay, I really love this color effect and all these visual looks. So this is the power of YouWare. This is looking great. And one final request I have, and we will see if we like or not. So let's request this. And as you can see, it start working. I just want my colors to be WCAG compliant, and also refine the animations. I noticed some animations and also the lazy loading. So these are the things I want to improve. AI said that the dashboard is now more performant, accessible, and visually refined. So let's quickly check this, and I really like this. And we are going to test one final, and then we are ready to go. Okay, so now we are going to use the boost feature. So basically, if you click on the boost, so it ask for what you want: enhance visual design, modernize UI, and improve animation and transition. So okay, so I want to enhance visual design. Let's test this out. Okay, just click here and start and create. Okay, let's switch this to the light mode. Okay, so we use the boost feature, and its credits used 92 points, and I didn't notice that much improvement using this boost feature. So what I'm going to do, I want my credits back. Okay, so these 92 credits I need back. So this is how YouWare become exceptional from the other AI tool, so that we can click on the rewind here. We can just restore 92 credit. Click on the rewind, the change is reversed, and as you can see, we received 92 credits back. So this is the power of YouWare. You have full control on the credit used, and also at the same time you can visually edit everything. So for example, I just need to change this text to like dashboard. For example, the name of the product is dashboard. So as you can see, we can visually change everything. Okay, so let me show you another cool feature, and this is called co-view. Basically, what is co-view? Co-view is you can share your screen and you can directly talk to the AI. Instead of chatting like here and describing what changes do you want, you can verbally discuss with the AI and pointing a specific section, so AI will understand and it will update the changes. Okay, so for example, first I want to click here on the co-view, and it will ask permission, so I'm going to click continue. We are going to talk to the directly to the AI and pointing certain elements, and it will work through the voice instead of typing. Allow microphone access, and here we are. Okay, so let's say I it show that this tab will be start and recording, so I am going to give permission and allow. Cool. And now as you can see, when this recording start and this turn to green and microphone, so it's mean now we are ready to start talking to the AI. Can you please make the drop shadow soft and less saturated? Okay, so through my voice verbally I mentioned that can you please make the drop shadow soft and smooth. This is my prompt, and I'm going to click generate here. Okay, so now it said that I'm processing the video, and now to understand the user experience and identify any issue, this may take a moment. It's analyze the file. Okay, so look at this. It said that I see you are hovering on the KPI card and you would like the drop shadow to be softer and less saturated. It's really amazing. I can definitely adjust that for you and make the design cleaner and more subtle. I will update the drop shadow style right away. No other tool right now can give you that much flexibility, the one which YouWare gave you. Okay, so as you can see here, the changes made perfectly show the values and visual consistency. I really like this drop shadow. And let's check inside the dark mode, and still looking amazing. So this is the real power of co-view. As you can see, you can share your screen like this screen, and you can start and talk to the AI, and AI will make the changes you want. So this is how co-view works. So now I think I am pretty happy with the result, and let's quickly click on the code. So I personally don't know the coding stuff, so this is not. And let's click on the ubase. So this is premium feature, and as you can see, enable ubase. So now our app will become fully functional. ubase is added successfully, and now final thing, we are going to publish this to make it live. So click on the publish, and we can add custom domain, and here is the YouWare if we are ready to publish. So let's click on the publish. Okay, so now as you can see, we can share our project. So this is the project link. We can simply copy and paste it in the new window. We can share it with anyone, and this is the live dashboard we have. Everything is looking perfect. Once we add our custom domain, so as you can see, this page will be removed, made by YouWare AI. One final step before we are wrapping the video, so let's click on the explore tab, and as you can see, this is the community. Creators are creating some cool looking products. So for example, let's say that productivity tool, I want to filter this, and here is, okay, so let's say I want this product. Okay, let's check this out. Looking great. Okay, start challenge, and okay, so I really like this, and let's say I don't want to create it from the scratch. So here, as you can see, this is the remix button, and it's clearly said that made by YouWare, and this is really amazing. I really like this game, and for example, I want to recreate it for myself. So I'm going to click on the remix here, replace images or text to try a new layout or color scheme, add a new section. So let's try this. So this is pretty cool, and as you can see, I don't need to start from the scratch, and here is everything is working. Basically, we are remixing, and we are going to publish this for ourselves. So this is the power of YouWare community, where you can find some great products for yourself. This is really amazing. You can select any project, and you can just click on the remix and start editing from there. You don't need to create from the scratch, and I really like this community approach. Is really great. If you want to build dashboards or websites without coding, try YouWare for free. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and start building.